I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 138 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page almost every day where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions and answers. We take the cool, the funny, the weird. We put them here for you so you don't have to read 1,000 questions. So on today's episode, we're talking about how many ships can dock at Celebration Key at once. Drinks on us in the casino. Is there a tip included? Will the new Excel class ships they just announced have laundry rooms? Disposable gloves in the Lido buffet and decorative mask worn at the dining room on the Venezia?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser wanted to know how many ships will be able to dock at Celebration Key at once. John said at the moment it's going to be only 2 ships, but they are going to increase that in the future. So if you want to get the Celebration Key and see it before there's 4, 6 boats docked there, get it done soon and it will be way less crowded. Question 2. This cruiser had a casino question. He wanted to know, for those that get the drinks on us in the casino, does that include a tip for the servers bringing them to you? John said, thank you for asking this. Yes, a small gratuity is added to that. So it's not like when you're buying it yourself and you see the tip on there, the tip is included. It is a little one. That said, if you got a server or a bartender that you absolutely love, you feel free to tip them in cash additionally. We always bring a bunch of singles, just in case, because that single goes right into the pocket and they get to take it home with them. So if you like your servers in the casino, tip them extra. Speaking of like, if you like what you would see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question 3. This cruiser wanted to know if the new Excel class ships they just announced are going to have laundry rooms on them. They were recently on the Celebration and found out that they didn't have do-your-own laundry facilities. John said, no, they will not have self-service laundries just like the previous Excel class ships. Basically, there's too many people on there. So if they had, you'd have to have, I don't know how many laundry rooms for the 6,000 people that are on that boat. They do have in-room laundry service. It's relatively inexpensive, and they press and fold and bring it back to you. So you can get it done, you just can't do it yourself. Next question. This cruiser wanted to know if Carnival would offer disposable gloves on the Lido deck for the buffet. So you're grabbing the handle, you put a glove on, blah, blah, blah. John said there are absolutely no plans to do this, but you can absolutely bring your own gloves on board. I'm not against that, quite honestly, because I've been in line before, and the guy in front of me just scratched his butt, picked his nose, and then grabbed the handle for the potatoes I want to grab. I don't want to touch his butt, so I'm not against that at all, but if you wanted to do it, you most certainly can. Just bring your own. It's not a bad idea, you ask me, because people do some nasty stuff. Anyway, last question. This cruiser's daughter is leaving on the Venezia soon, and they saw somewhere where you can wear decorative masks in the dining room on like a nightly thing. And John said you can. It is not nightly, but traditionally the second day or the first elegant night, you can wear decorative masks in the dining room. So I think that's kind of cool. We're going to be going on to Venezia soon, and I don't know if we're going to bring a mask, but kind of be cool to see. Anyway, that's been episode 138 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.